Welcome everybody to another 360 adventure. This time, we're at Disney World's Winter Summerland Mini Golf. And now for some family rules. The winner of each hole gets 1 point. No points are given if the hole is tied. The person with the most points wins. Plus, we have a couple other rules, but we won't get into that. As of now, here is the score. Now let's get into it.
It's going to be bouncing off the wall. Could be a hole in one for her right here, but no. Really narrow, youngness. She's moving on here. Gonna take a nice shot. Oh, it's hitting Sandy right over the hole. What a shot by Sharon.
Let me in. Oh, here it comes, here it comes. Gonna go in. Oh.
Look out! Look out! Look out! Oh! Here it comes! Here it comes! And there it is. It's got a 2. 2.
No more winning in this hole.
2. There's a 2.
God, Mom.
Everybody got a 2.